म्यूट करना है इन लोगों को। Good morning, students. Today we are going to have a final revision of the reported speech. And then from tomorrow onwards, we can start doing the exercises based on reported speech. So today we are going to have a simple final revision of reported speech. I'll just give one more explanation, then I'll give you 2 minutes to read the rules. And then one by name, I'll start asking also. Okay. This is how we are going to go ahead today. You have to do 2 times. I've already done. This is the 3rd time I'll be taking up the rules. Then after I explain a particular rule, I'll give you 2 minutes. You will read it yourself and then I'll ask questions from that. So let's start. We are doing reported speech. I have already discussed a bit with you. Let's do it again. There are 2 ways of narrating or saying anything. First is when you use the actual words of the speaker. And the second is you report whatever the speaker has said. If you use the actual words of the speaker, then it is direct speech because you're directly telling what the person said. And if you are changing the form and telling the others, you're reporting what the other person has said, then it is reported speech. Now let us see some simple examples I had given you, but let us go directly to the main things now. If you see this sentence, he said, I shall go home, comma, inverted commas are removed, and in place of comma, inverted commas, that is used. This is the first and the most important thing. That first thing that you need to do is you need to remove the comma and inverted commas, and in place of this, you will use that. Second thing now, I said he has not done his homework. I said that he had not done his homework. So you can see very clearly that basically the tenses are also being changed. So one by one, we are coming to all the rules that we have done. I'm starting from rule number 1. Then I'll give you time to revise rule number 1. Then I'll ask you questions from rule number 1. So this is rule number 1. What does rule number 1 say? The reporting verb said is changed into told, observed, remarked, or promised. When do we change said to told? This is the most important thing in this rule. This rule tells you when we will change said to told. Said is changed into told when we have an object. If there is no object, said will remain said only. If there is no object, said will remain said. See, beta, if I say he said to Ram, whom is he speaking to? He is speaking to Ram. So who is the object over here? The object is Ram. Since we have an object, we will change said to told. Look at the second sentence. He said Mohan is clever. Whom is he speaking to? We do not know. So either you keep said or you simply say remarked. Anything said would be easier for you to remember. I have not changed this sentence to told. Why I have not changed this sentence to told is because whom is he speaking to? I do not know. Next one. Shruti said, brother, I am already ready. It is very clear that Shruti is speaking to her brother. That is why I have changed the said into told. So my first rule is very simple. It simply says what? It simply says when to change said to told. This is my first rule. I'm giving you 1 minute. All of you please read, revise the first rule. Then I'll start asking questions based on rule number 1. Aryash, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Aryash, tell me one thing. I'll speak a sentence. You simply tell me whether I should change said to told or I should not change said to told. Listen to the sentence very nicely. The sentence is, he said to Mohan, I will play. Should I change said to told or should I not?
Ma'am, you should change said to told.
I should. Why?
Ma'am, because he's telling Ram.
Okay, he's telling Ram, that means you know whom is he speaking to. Very good. Now, let's move on to the next person, that is Avika. Avika Saxena. I think she raised her hand, so let me talk to Avika first. Avika, listen to my sentence. He said, Geeta is intelligent. He said, Geeta is intelligent. So you have to simply tell me, beta, that should I change? Avika is not there. Let me give a chance to Sudhir. Sudhir, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sudhir, you tell me. He said, Geeta is intelligent. Should I change said to told or should I not? You don't know the answer, Sudhir? Aryan, you tell us. Should we change or should we not change? That is what we are asking. Aryan, tell me, should I change?
Ma'am, please unmute him.
Aryan is already unmute. Okay, yes. Aryan, now speak.
No, ma'am.
I should not change.
Yes, no, ma'am.
Why should I not change, beta?
Ma'am, because we are not having the object and we are not knowing that to whom we are talking.
Excellent, very good. We don't know to whom we are talking, so we were not going to change said to told. One last question I'll be asking from this rule. And this question I'll ask from Aman Narula. One by one, each one of you has to answer. Aman, listen to the sentence, then I'll unmute you. Listen. Aryan said, ma'am, I have done my homework. Aryan said, comma, inverted commas, ma'am, I have done my homework. So this is my sentence, a simple sentence. And now Aman will tell us whether said should change to told or not. Kshitij Gangwar, you tell if Aman is not answering.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we should change it to told. Ma'am, because we are knowing that whom we are talking.
Fine, very good, correct. One last one I'm asking from Avika now. Previously I asked, I don't know where she was there. Listen again, Avika, I'm asking you. Aman said, Aryan is clever. Aman said, listen to the sentence first carefully. Aman said, Aryan is clever. Avika, answer.
Ma'am, it will not change to told.
Why it will not change to told?
Ma'am, because we don't know whom Aman is talking to.
Excellent. We don't know whom Aman is talking to. Very good. So I hope the first rule is pretty clear to everybody. I'm moving on to rule number 2 now. All of you please listen, then I'll again give you time to read. The inverted commas are removed and that is placed instead. He said to me, comma inverted commas, in place of comma inverted commas, use that. There is no rocket science in this rule. This is a very simple rule. Let's come to rule number 3. Then I'll ask questions together on 1, 2, and 3. Change in the tense of the verb in the reporting speech. If the reporting verb is in the present or the future tense, then the tense of the verb is not changed. Clear? If your verb is in present tense or future tense, then you will not change the tense of the verb. Look here. The teacher says he is an intelligent boy. This word is here and says. Look at this verb, says. It is not said, it is says. That means the sentence is in present tense. And the rule says, if you're normally, though we have exceptions, I'll come to exceptions later. The rule says if your sentence is in present or future, do not change. How do I identify that my sentence is in present or future, children? Okay, let's continue what we were doing. You need to remember, children, that if a sentence is in present tense, if your sentence is in present tense, then do not change the tense of the sentence. Okay, look at the first example very quickly. I hope everybody's understood how to identify present tense. Now look at the second sentence. Tina will say the servant was wrong. This word will say gives you a clue that your sentence is in future tense. So again, we will not change the sentence tense inside the bracket. In the first sentence, is remains is. In the second sentence, was remains was. So these are the three rules, children. These are the three rules that I have. And what I need to do is very simple. You need to revise. Let me check the third rule with you once. Let me ask who is there now. Okay, Anadi. Anadi Gangwar, please tell us. Look at the sentence. The boy says, I want to go. Tell me, Anadi.
The boy says he want to go.
And the
He
boy
wants
says
to.
That he
that he
want.
wants to.
Yes. Should I make it wanted?
No, ma'am.
Children, should I make it wanted?
No, ma'am.
Why I should not make it wanted, beta?
Because it is in present tense.
It is in present tense. So in present tense, we don't change the sentence. That's really nice. Very good. Let's move on to the next child now. Let's ask who is there? Bhavleen is there. Okay. First, I'll speak the sentence. The girl will say. The girl will say, the servant was wrong. Simple sentence. The girl will say the servant was wrong. This is my sentence. And you need to tell me simple one thing, whether the tense will change or it will not change. Bhavleen, your turn.
Ma'am,
Yes, Bhavleen. Please raise your hands if others know the answer. The girl will say the servant was wrong. Who will give the answer? Okay, we have more hands. Let me take it one by one. Yes, speak, Pallavi.
Ma'am, the girl will say that the servant was wrong.
Okay. Krish, tell me, should we change the tense here or not?
No, ma'am.
Why we should not change, beta?
Ma'am, because it is in future tense.
Very good. It is in future tense. Too good. Okay. Next, Anadi Gangwar. What are the two tenses in which normally we do not change the tense inside the inverted commas?
Present tense and future tense.
Present tense and future tense.
Future.
Too good. Okay. Atish, you tell me. The boy says, I like to play. Tell me the answer.
Then the boy says that he likes to play.
He likes to play. So we have changed the tense or we have not changed the tense? Kshitij Gangwar, will we change the tense?
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
You are sleeping, my child?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Anyways, now you'll get a next chance whenever you get a chance. Let's move on to the first rule. I hope everybody is very clear. You told me that when said changes to told. Second rule was very simple, that comma inverted commas you'll replace by that. Third rule you already know, in present and future we will not change the tenses. However, let's come to this next part now. We have to revise these. I'm giving you 2 minutes. You need to revise this table, only this table. And then I'll discuss with you how to identify whether your sentence is in present indefinite or present continuous or whatever. 2 minutes, everybody to revise. Start revising. One time I'll revise with you, then another 2 minutes I'll give you, and then I'll ask you. Present indefinite to past indefinite, present continuous to past continuous. Don't panic, I'll tell you how to identify sentences. Present perfect to past perfect, present perfect continuous to past perfect continuous, past indefinite to past perfect, past continuous to past perfect continuous, is MR to was and were, has and have to had, was and were to had been, shall to should, can to could, and may to might. This is it. Another 2 minutes, then raise your hands. I'll hide this table from the screen and then I'll start asking questions. Whoever is ready will raise the hands, whoever is confident about this table. Another 2 minutes you can take. Please learn. As of now, don't worry about how will I get to know that this sentence is in which tense. That I'll help you. As of now, you have to just learn. I already see 4-5 hands are ready. Quickly, others too. 6 now. Very good. This is going to be a competition. One answer wrong and you are out of the race. You will not get another chance. So I think I should start now. Let me first hide. Remember, the rule is the same, that one answer wrong, you will be out of the competition. Let me start first. It is Kshitij Gangwar. Kshitij Gangwar. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Past indefinite. Quickly. Past indefinite.
Ma'am, past perfect.
Fine. Present perfect.
Past perfect.
Present perfect into past perfect. Okay. Past continuous.
Ma'am, past perfect continuous.
And present indefinite.
Past indefinite.
Was.
Ma'am, was, had been.
Okay.
May, might.
Very good. Kshitij has cleared the Competition part, very good, excellent. Let's move on to the second person now. Who it is? Arish. Arish, you ready? Arish, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Answer. Past continuous.
Past perfect continuous.
Is MR.
Was, were.
Okay. Present perfect.
Past perfect.
Okay. Past indefinite.
Past perfect.
Shall.
Should.
May.
Might.
Excellent. Very good. Arish has also cleared it. Next is Avika Saxena. Avika, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall becomes
Shall, should,
past continuous.
past continuous, past perfect continuous.
Present perfect.
Present perfect into past perfect.
Present indefinite.
Past indefinite.
Present perfect.
Past perfect.
Was.
Was, had been.
Okay. Excellent. Avika is all clear. Very good. Too good. Next is Parth. Parth, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Parth. Okay. Past continuous.
Yes, ma'am. Past perfect
Past con-
continuous.
Past indefinite.
Past perfect.
Present continuous.
Past continuous.
Present perfect continuous.
Past perfect continuous.
Past indefinite.
Past perfect.
May.
Might.
Very good. Parth has also got all correct. Excellent, Parth. Next in turn is Atish. Atish, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you're ready? Chalo, speak. Past indefinite.
Ma'am, past perfect.
Present perfect.
Ma'am, past perfect.
Past continuous.
Past perfect continuous.
Was.
Ma'am, had been.
Shall.
Should.
Very good. Has.
Ma'am, has. Ma'am, had.
May.
Might.
Very good. Excellent. Too good. Let's move on now. It's Aryan. Aryan, you're ready now?
Yes, ma'am.
Atish is already done. Aryan, your turn now. Tell me about present perfect,
And past perfect.
present continuous,
And present continuous. Past continuous.
past indefinite,
Ma'am, past perfect.
was,
Had been.
can
Could.
becomes could, may.
Might.
Excellent. Too good. Lakshay. Lakshay, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do one thing. Kavya, are you ready? Kavya. Yashi Shukla. Yashi, are you ready? Yashi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I've taken in Lakshay, I've taken in Yashi, and I'm taking in Bhavleen. Bhavleen, you are also ready now?
Ma'am.
Okay. One more person I'll take in, and that is Priyansh. Priyansh, you are also there? Priyansh,
Yes, ma'am.
you're ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bhavleen, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo. Now we'll have a competition. These people will have it together. Lakshay, Kavya. Kavya, are you there? She's not there. Very good. Lakshay, Yashi. Yashi, you're there now?
Yes, Ma'am.
Okay, Bhavleen. Bhavleen
Yes, ma'am.
and Priyansh. Now you start asking each other, all four of you, quickly. It should be rapid fire kinds. Lakshay is going to ask Yashi. Yashi will ask Bhavleen, and Bhavleen will ask Priyansh. Quickly, start.
Has.
Had.
Answer. Quickly, it should continue 2-3 cycles. Yashi quickly to Bhavleen, Bhavleen to Priyansh, and Priyansh back to Lakshay. Quickly.
Was. Was. Had. I said had. Had been.
What happened? Why is the process stopped? I think Bhavleen is not there. Yashi, you ask Priyansh. Priyansh, you ask Lakshay.
Past indefinite.
Past perfect. Present perfect.
Anybody else? Anybody better? Anybody else who would like to join this?
Present perfect to past perfect.
Okay, Parth is also wanting to join. Parth has also joined. Parth, now you can also ask questions if you want. Okay, start. Parth, join. Yes, start asking now. Parth is also in. You can ask anyone. Take name and ask. Who else would like to join? Raise your hands. Kshitij is also in now.
Yes, ma'am.
Kshitij? Very good. Now you can take the name of all these children who've raised their hands. Anybody else? I'm asking the last time. Anybody would like to join this competition? Let me see who is the winner today. Yes, anybody else? Bhavleen has joined. She doesn't come every time. Okay, Bhavleen is in. Pratyush wants to join. Pratyush. Yes, Pratyush is in. Aryesh.
Past
Ma'am,
perfect, past perfect.
Yes,
when I
dear.
was opening my mic, it was saying that the host is not allowing to mute myself.
So many times I did it for you, dear. I don't know. Anyway, start, children. Those who are in, please take the name and start asking. Whomever you want to ask, take the name and start. Please start.
Ma'am, Laksh, past perfect.
Laksh, answer.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, if he is not answering, others can tell.
Past perfect will remain same. Ma'am, I spoke the answer. Past perfect will remain same.
It's not coming out the way I wanted. Anyways, fine. At least few people tried. Very good, those who tried. Excellent. Let's move on now. Again, back to what I did. Then I'll again have a small competition. Let me see after everything who is the winner. This table is already done. Look at this rule now. Must, change in must, beta. If it is a prohibition, permanent rule, command, advise, intention, must will not change. Prohibition means you are stopped from doing something. So you're stopped means you're stopped. You're not going to change the tense. When indicating necessity or compulsion, then must is changed into had. So please learn these two rules very quickly. If it is a prohibition, prohibition means किसी चीज को permanently मना कर दिया. It's a permanent rule, it's a command, advice, intention, then must will not change. And what are the two conditions in which must will change? Necessity or compulsion. And must will change into what? Must will change into had to. Learn it quickly. Very quickly, how must changes, then I'll ask. Arish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arish. Answer beta. What are the two conditions in which must changes to had to?
Present or immediate necessity.
Okay, some necessity which is immediate necessity.
Immediate.
Just now, which has to be taken care of. Anybody else who is ready to answer questions based on must? Raise your hands if you're ready for answering questions. Atish. Okay, Atish will tell us. In what two cases must will not change? Must will not change. Atish?
Advice and command.
Must will not change. Just now we did
Yes,
some
ma'am.
rules, advise and command. Excellent. Okay, we have another person. Very good, Atish, giving a good response in English classes these days. Kshitij Gangwar. Kshitij,
Yes, ma'am.
you tell. What is the case in which must changes to had to?
Ma'am, for present or immediate necessity.
Very good. It's a present or immediate necessity. Let's try Bhavleen once. Bhavleen, two
Yes,
cases where must does not change.
ma'am, intention and command.
Okay. I hope everybody knows what is universal truth. In universal truth also, the tense does not change. Now give me an example of universal truth. Zeba. Zeba will give us an example of universal truth. Zeba, give us an example of universal truth.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Bhavleen, you want to tell? Tell.
Ma'am, the sun rises in the east.
Yes, this is an example of
Yes, ma'am,
universal
may I
truth.
tell?
Yes, now Zeba, tell. Tell beta an example of universal truth.
He said 2 and 2 makes 4.
What did you say?
He
Speak
said
again.
2 and 2 make 4.
2 and 2 make 4. Perfect. This is also a universal truth. Very good. Now we have Yashi. Yashi will tell us an example of universal truth.
He said that Earth revolves around the sun.
Excellent. Now Moksh.
Ma'am,
Moksh, tell us.
he said that honesty is the best policy.
He said that honesty is the best policy. Very good. Priyan, should I make it honesty was the best policy?
No, ma'am,
Should it
because
be?
tense
No,
don't change.
ma'am.
Universal
Tense will
truth.
not change. Tense will not change. Okay, fine. Moksh, should I change the tense in universal truth or should I not change?
Ma'am, we should not change.
Okay. One last time, Rupendra. Give me an example of universal truth.
He said that change is the law of nature.
So good. Change is the law of nature. Very good. Very good. So I hope this rule is also okay and clear to everybody till here, that we will not change the tenses. I want you to give me one sentence, any one sentence now based on any of these rules that I have done with you just now. Any one sentence. Who will give me? Raise your hands. The others will change. Make a sentence. It can be based on rule 1, rule 2, rule 3, anything. And if this meeting gets over, post it on the group. Moksh, yes. Moksh, give a sentence.
Ma'am, on what, ma'am?
Give a sentence. They will change it into reported speech.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Ram told Mohan that he will not go to Delhi today.
There is some problem in this sentence. Who will tell me what is the problem? Ram told Mohan. What is wrong? Ayush, tell what is wrong in this? Ayush Gupta, tell us what is